Vinty's chauffeured rentals allow you to kick back and enjoy the ride, and are especially common for wedding rentals. Let's see if we can find a white Bentley that has a chauffeur, which would be perfect for a wedding in the San Diego area. First, we will type Bentley into the search bar. Then we can select with a driver as a rental type. And now we can choose San Diego as a location, and always make sure to click the Update View button to update the results. Here we have a 1950 Bentley Mark VI in great condition. After looking at the car's pictures and carefully reading the car's description, we see the car has a 3-hour minimum, and this must be noted when booking the rental. After reviewing the car's page and determining that it is the right fit for your event, select the amount of hours that the car will be used, and then click the Request to Hire button. Now all that's left to do is to enter your payment information and also to let the owner of the car know the important details about your event, like the date and location.